So now I'm joined with Thomas from Bosch, who are another partner with this energy harvesting demo board that was done in collaboration with Ambiq and Nexperia and various other partners. Thomas, tell us what it's like to work on this project with Ambiq.
Yeah, so thanks for having me.
No worries.
We are presenting here the harvest kit. So it's the technology from Ambiq to really utilize the sensing capability of our Beam E680. So as introduction, the Beam E680 is a 4-in-1 sensor.
Okay.
And we at Bosch, as market leader, we developed the sensor to measure humidity, temperature, pressure, and air quality.
Okay.
And
cool.
Now we are collaborating with Ambiq to utilize our capability of sensing with the low power capabilities of this Ambiq solution.
Cool.
Power harvesting. Yeah.
Nice. So in terms of working with the Ambiq chip, what does that enable when compared to other devices, especially at that low power?
Yeah. So it fits very well, the Ambiq solution and our solution, because we want to always have a low current consumption, low power. We basically want to measure everywhere, anytime.
Okay.
And I think that's capable with this nice solution here, with this harvest kit.
And I guess often as well, because I can see how quick. This demo is live.
Yes.
And you can see how the update rate of the data is very.
Yeah. And the sensor is really small. Also, I mentioned it's one, and it's this tiny here 3x3 package.
Nice.
And everything is in it, right? It's 4 sensors. It's an ASIC, and we also can demonstrate it. Yeah, I just have to blow onto it, and you see. Humidity is going up, temperature is going up, pressure also a little bit, and then you can also see the VOC is maybe increasing.
Nice.
Yeah.
So in terms of working on this collaboration, what was it like working with Ambiq in this process?
Yeah. No, it was really nice because it enables also for our customers this fast prototyping, but also to shorten the developing time. And we found it very helpful to work with Ambiq also on this chip solution for our customers.
Cool. So was that from a hardware perspective, from a software perspective, or just the whole experience in general?
Yeah.
In general.
So we are only providing the sensor.
Okay.
And we are very welcome that we got the help from Ambiq to integrate everything in this tiny new reference design, because this is what we need also to sell our sensor to customers who are interested in this quick solutions to accelerate the product development and to make fast prototyping.
Cool. So together with Ambiq, you're going to use this board to help evaluate your sensor for energy harvesting applications.
Yeah, correct. Because that's the goal, to lower current consumption, and maybe also when you have battery-driven devices or even have no battery, you can use this
the super
nice device, and you just can use it everywhere, right? Also when you don't have something like a battery, or but also our use cases are also in this area, right? You can also here charge a battery, and that's really nice for all of our customers which are in smart home, which are in like I said, battery applications like odor detection. We have also customers for air quality monitoring. For all these customers, it's very helpful to have this kind of really low current consumption with this low power mode.
Cool, and eliminate batteries from the IoT.
Correct. At the end, I think that's the goal, right?
Yep.
No need of battery, and then I think it's truly independent and can be used everywhere.
Cool, nice.